Hello everyone. Today I am going to telling you discussing with you one topic, that is the body cavity. And what is the body cavity in our body? Body cavity means it is the space in our body which is protect to our internal soft organs, um, uh, and also support to the that soft organs. These are the body cavities. These are the called body cavities. Then there are the different types of there are different body cavity in our the body. Types of this body cavities: the first one is the dorsal, and then second one is the ventral body cavity. In dorsal body cavity means these are included some organs like in a dorsal body cavity there are included some organs like cranial means included some cavity like cranial cavity and spinal cavity in dorsal body cavity. And in a ventral body cavity they are included the abdominal cavity, then pelvic cavity, and also thoracic cavity are present in the ventral body cavity. Then what is the dorsal body cavity and what is the ventral body cavity? Dorsal ventral body cavity means these are this body cavity which included some organs like the abdominal cavity, then thoracic and pelvis cavity. And dorsal cavity also included some the spinal cavity and some cranial cavity. The cranial cavity, which is a means spinal cavity, which is enclosed by the spine, and which contains in that the spinal cord. And in the cranial cavity, which is enclosed by the skull, and which contain the brain, and these protect to the brain, this cavity. So then first one we see that the say that the cranial cavity. In a cranial cavity when say that there are some boundaries, means there are some bones in this cranial cavity like frontal bone, occipital bone, then temporal bone, then sphenoid bone, ethmoid bone. These are the some these are the some boundaries of this cranial bone. And these boundaries contains to the brain, and which protect to the brain. And then also there are also thoracic cavity, which are the present in the in our the chest area. This thoracic cavity, which is also included by the some organs like the some organs like in the thoracic cavity like ribs. There are 26 ribs are 24 ribs are present in our the thoracic cavity, and also sternum, then vertebral column, and also costal cartilage. These are the some boundaries which are present in thoracic cavity. And this contains the these boundaries contains to the heart, then lungs, then esophagus, trachea, then thymus gland. These are the some included in this thoracic cavity, which is protect this thoracic cavity, which is protect to these organs like the heart, lungs, trachea, esophagus, thymus gland. And then third cavity is the abdominal cavity. This abdominal cavity, which is also contains some boundaries like the lumbar region, then also spines, then abdominal muscles. These are the some boundaries are present in this abdominal cavity. And this cavity, which is contains some organs like liver, then gallbladder, then stomach, kidney, spleen, pancreas, and also adrenal glands. These are the some organs which is contained in the abdominal cavity. This abdominal cavity which protect to this that organs. Then fifth one cavity is the pelvic cavity. This pelvic cavity, which is the present in the hip region, which is contains some the boundaries like the hip bones, and also some of the muscles in the pelvic regions, pelvic floor, and this cavity which is contains the some male organs and also female organs, which is protect this cavity which is protect to the some male and female, male reproductive organ and female reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs like which are there's urethra, vas deferens, testes, then penis, scrotum, rectum, prostate gland. These are the some male reproductive organ, and so there are some female reproductive organs like uterus, then ovary, cervix, urethra, rectum. These are the female reproductive organ which are the protected by the pelvic cavity. These are the some cavity which are the present in our body. Then thank you.